So this is the Cuisinart Barista Bar Coffee Maker. We absolutely love it because we love the versatility of being able to do the Nespresso pods, K-cups, or brew a full carafe. One thing that I would warn you about, don't make the mistake that I did, be very careful that you buy the standard type Nespresso cups. I goofed up and bought the wider flat ones and those will not work. But just to show you kind of how it works, it's super easy. You can turn this little knob here and you can do hot water or steam, which comes out of this nozzle, or you can turn the knob and you can do a small espresso, large espresso, or then it goes down to the different pod sizes. You have 6, 8, or 10 ounce. You can also brew or brew by time. You can lift this guy up. You can see where you can put your different pods in. One thing that I will say about Cuisinart is we had a problem with the first one. This was actually a replacement. After a few months, this was locked down and would not come back up. No matter how hard we pulled this, it would not come up. And it was getting stuck in this locking mechanism. So they've updated it on this new one that we've got. So have a lot more confidence that it will be better. But Cuisinart was great with sending us a replacement. The only thing that they asked me to do is to send in a picture with the power cord on the old unit cut. And then within a week, I had the new one. So you have the water reservoir here in the back. Holds a pretty good amount. I'd say every bit as much as what the standard Keurigs hold. And then you've got a separate water reservoir that's in here. It did come with without holding this little filter guy right here, and then a scoop. And then, like I said, you have the ability to use the little dispenser here to either get out hot water or to steam or froth your milk. So that's super convenient as well. So yeah, overall, we love it, love the versatility, and cannot recommend it enough, even with the one hiccup that we had. Like I said, their customer service was fantastic and got us out a new unit very quickly. So hope this helps.
All right, I want you to hear exactly how loud this thing is to start for the espresso. So I am ready. I'm gonna make one shot. I'm gonna press the button. On. All right, this is gonna show you how long it takes. It still hasn't turned on yet. It's now getting ready to start. It took almost a minute to start. Now listen to it. It doesn't take that long to make it once it starts, but you heard how loud it was when it started. Now, can't tell, but there's like barely no steam at all coming from this cup of coffee. This is an espresso. So when I get ready to drink this, this is going to be just short of lukewarm. Not what I expected from coffee.
Listen how loud this thing is. What is going on here? I mean, it sounds like somebody's jackhammering through the counter. I just opened this thing. You know what it sounds like. Yeah, something ain't right. It's like I don't know. It's so loud. I've never heard a coffee pot sound like that. Cuisinart, what have y'all done here? Cool design, terrible motor on this thing. Could you imagine doing this at 5 in the morning? You're going to work, wake the whole house up. It's not even just a little bit, it's constant. The whole thing. Yeah, probably shouldn't buy this one yet. Give it another year or so.
Okay, I absolutely love my new coffee pot. There are so many functions. First, let's start with you can do K-cups or you can do Nespresso. Don't mind a little dirty. You can also do a full pot in this section. So your grounds and then your water goes in here and the guide is here. So you have separate water for your pot, then for your K-cups, which the water is back here. You can schedule your pot, which is really nice. You have pod sizes. You have hot water that comes through here. You have steam that comes through here, so you can steam your milk. And then you have your Nespresso sizes. The other thing I love about this is that if you're doing espresso and you have a small cup, this can come up here. So you can do a short espresso cup. And then of course, you can put it back down for a regular cup. I absolutely love this machine and it is totally worth it.